Hello, today I'm in Seat Leon. In this video I'll show you how to navigate through steering wheel. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel thanks to which we can change radio volume and mute the radio. We can activate speed limiter and cruise control by pressing this button. We can manage it, set it, pause it. Next, we can enable assistant systems like lane assist. We can change distance from following car in cruise control. And now let's go to the right side. Thanks to panel on the right side, we can navigate through instrument cluster. We can change view, change radio station, make phone calls and activate voice assistant. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.